Sindri Mir served as an Alpha Legion sorcerer during the War of Tartarus. Rumored to have served his legion during the days of the Horus Heresy, Sindri would regardless prove to be a capable and conniving senior officer of his Chaos Warband. Seeking the Chaos artifact known as the Maledictum, the object containing a powerful Khornate demon imprisoned by the Eldar would be a prize capable of transforming its possessor into a demon prince. Serving under the command of the Chaos Lord Baal, Sindri would orchestrate the Orc Xenos of the planet to combat the Astartes chapter of the Bloodravens to buy time for their hunt for the Maledictum. Further manipulating Lord Baal to confront Gabriel Angelos and his Bloodravens, Sindri would abandon his liege to die. Convincing the Bloodraven librarian, Isildur Akaios, to surrender to the temptations of the ruinous powers, Isildur would seek to use the Maledictum for himself to combat the enemies of his chapter. Slain for his betrayal by Captain Gabriel Angelos, Akaios would prove a worthwhile distraction as Sindri sacrificed countless souls to release the power of the Chaos artifact. Harnessing the Maledictum, Sindri would achieve apotheosis and transform into the form of a demon prince. Slain by Gabriel Angelos, wielding the demon hammer Godsplitter, Sindri's death would release the Khornate demon into the material world and for his schemes be banished into the warp. His soul forevermore, a plaything of the dark gods, Sindri's soul languishes within the realm of chaos and endures untold suffering at the hands of the ruinous powers.